friends, my name is Meeta from Boost Your Brain. Today I am going to discuss how to introduce latitude and longitude. In this video I am going to discuss about the globe, the axis of rotation, north and south pole, what is a latitude and some important latitude, what is a longitude and an important longitude, different hemisphere and also global grid. For teaching the concept, you need a latitude and longitude map of the world that you can download from the net and a globe. Let's see how we can teach the concept in a practical way. Hello Anna, do you know what is this?
Yes, it is a globe.
Yes, this is a globe that represents our Earth. It shows us the shapes and location of the continents, seas and oceans on a small scale. It also shows the shape and location of countries and the location of important cities. You can see half the globe at one time. However, you can rotate the globe around to see the other half. It can turn around at a line passing through it. This line is called axis. The axis is not straight. It is tilted at the angle of 23.5 degrees. The Earth constantly rotates or turns around its axis of rotation. The axis of the globe is similar to that of the Earth. The two endpoints of the axis of rotation is called poles. To the north it is North Pole and to the south it is a South Pole. Can you see these lines?
Yes.
These are imaginary lines. All the horizontal lines which circles the globe is called latitude. Latitudes are parallel to each other. So it is also called parallels. All the latitudes are parallel to each other in the east to west direction. They are at the equal distance. All of them forms complete circle except the north and south poles, which are points. The latitude decreases the length as you move from the equator to the poles. Let's learn about some important latitudes. One of the most important latitude is the equator. It passes through the center of the earth. It covers the greatest distance. Other than equator and poles, there are four important latitudes. Let's see what they are. Above the equator to the north around 23.5 degrees, there is a latitude called Tropic of Cancer. Above the Tropic of Cancer around 66.5 degrees, there is Arctic Circle. Below the equator around 23.5 degrees, there is a Tropic of Capricorn. And below the Tropic of Capricorn around 66.5 degrees, we have Antarctic Circle. Now let's learn about longitudes. All the lines which start from the top and end to the bottom is called longitudes. All longitudes run from the North Pole to the South Pole and is also called meridians. The lines of longitudes are semicircle. They run in a north to south direction. The space between two longitudes is maximum at the equator, and they come together to a point at poles. The latitudes and longitudes cut each other at right angle. There is a very important longitude called the prime meridian. The prime meridian is an imaginary line used to indicate 0-degree longitude. It passes through the place Greenwich near London, so it is also known as Greenwich Meridian. We know that the line that goes around the globe is called latitude. One of the most important latitude is the equator. It passes through the center of the earth. It covers the greatest distance. The equator divides the globe into two parts called the hemispheres. Above the equator, or we can say to the north of the equator, is called the northern hemisphere. And down the equator, or we can say the south of the equator, is called the southern hemisphere. There is a very important longitude is called prime meridian. Prime meridian also divides the globe into two parts. The right side, or we can say the east of the prime meridian, is called eastern hemisphere. And the left side, or we can say to the west of the prime meridian, is called western hemisphere. The latitudes and longitudes together form a network of lines or a grid on the globe. This is known as global grid. If we know the latitudes and longitudes of a place, we can locate it accurately on the global grid. Anna, this is a latitude and longitude map of the world and labels of important latitudes and longitudes. Can you please read and place the labels one by one on the map at the appropriate place?
Okay. Equator, prime meridian, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle, and Tropic of Cancer.
Good. Let's do another activity. I have a map and labels of hemispheres. Can you please read and place the labels one by one on the map at the appropriate place?
Okay. Eastern Hemisphere, Northern Hemisphere, Southern Hemisphere, Western Hemisphere.
Good. The purpose of these activities is to make the child familiar with all the important latitude, longitude, and also with all the 4 hemispheres. Thanks for watching my video. If you like it, please give us thumbs up. Also, don't forget to share, subscribe and press the bell icon. For more informative video, blogs and customized expert support for your child, please visit my website boostyourbrain.com. In my next video, I am going to discuss degrees, minutes, seconds and how to locate the places on the globe using them.